how to log into USAA Bank mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log into your USAA mobile banking account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into USAA Bank mobile banking account, first of all, open up your Play Store, just go to USAA mobile and just search for it, and then make sure to download the application. Once you've downloaded the app, you can simply go ahead and then open it up, and you're going to be able to see this type of interface. If you've not yet enrolled for mobile banking, you can just tap the Join USAA button that you can find it over here. Otherwise, you can directly just tap the login option that you can find it. In this case, just make sure to enter the online ID as well as the password in order to successfully log into your account. In case you happen to forget your password, you can tap the forgot password option. In case you haven't joined it, you can tap on join or register button right over here. This way you can log into your USAA bank account. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.